All right, now let's talk about memory basically. Your agent's ability to remember past conversations. Most LLM-based systems have a big flaw here. Every time you talk, it's like starting fresh, they forget your name, what you wanted, even what you just said. But with memory, we can fix that. The agent can actually keep track of the conversation and act accordingly. In VoltAgent, thanks to memory, your agent remembers the user's previous messages. It responds based on the chat history. It doesn't forget user preferences and information, so it no longer asks everything repeatedly. It feels more natural and more human-like. But for memory to work, we need to define a user ID. Without it, the agent won't know who it's talking to, so memory just won't work properly. And to activate memory, we need to define a user ID. You can set this directly through the agent via the REST API or right here in the console chat playground. We're doing it through the console now. Just head over to the chat settings in this workflow and set a user ID there. Let's also set the conversation ID for memory. This represents different conversations under the same user ID. Just like the user ID, you can set it directly through the agent via the REST API or right here in the console chat playground. Now let's test it. I'll send a message saying, "My name is Sarah," in the chat. You'll see that the chatbot will respond by calling us Sarah. From now on, it knows our name and will remember it in future messages. Let's ask about the weather to see a different type of response. The tool ran and gave us the current weather info. Now I'm asking for the name again, referring to the earlier part of the chat. And as you can see with the correct user ID and conversation ID, our agent remembers past conversations and responds naturally. So without writing any boilerplate code, just by passing two parameters, we made sure the agent keeps a conversation history and sends it to the LLM.